Manga, anime, Netflix adaptation. Basic human needs. 1. Water. 2. Oxygen. 3. Your Honor, my client kind of forgot that her roommate is a devil. Yoru act to turn all her children into weapons and body parts. Hello, War Devil Yoru from Chainsaw Man. Hello, Shinji Ikari from Evangelion. Pain, pain, pain. If Yoru represents war and Asa wants a boyfriend, then she must represent love. And since they share the same body, the main theme of CSM Part 2 is that love is war. The average CSM experience, wow, pretty cool shows, can't wait to read the manga. Me and bro randomly having a philosophical conversation as if we never cursed each other's whole clan seconds ago. How Aki sees Makima, how Power sees Makima, how Denji sees Makima, how the Darkness Devil sees Makima. Makima appears. Me? Also, me, wait a minute, I hate her. Chainsaw Man anime, Chainsaw Man manga. Fujimoto killing off his characters, Fujimoto drawing Makima's ass. My reaction to I'll never leave you. It's mine now. Give me my body back. I'll give you my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. Part 1, Denji. Part 2, Denji. Denji's not horny, so they can't be shipped. Actually, this is a beautiful sign of maturity, where Denji is prioritizing her well-being over his sexual desires, especially during her most vulnerable state, and I couldn't be more proud of him. I wish someone would make a chainsaw. Santa Claus is coming to town. Regular people, Santa Claus is coming to town, CSM fans. Sword, man, devil, when Pen Man Devil shows up. McDonald's employees serving their 500th Grimace shake of the day, knowing it's just gonna be spilled on the ground somewhere. I can fix him, says woman who is worse. How women look at me in the grocery store when I make gear shift noises while pushing my cart and whipping it around turns. We still talk about you. 35-year-old women, single 21-year-old men with no interest in life. Where is she missing? Average American student. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of your bullying problem. Don't come to school tomorrow. How we thought CSM 168 would go out. What really happened? Death Devil will be cutest girl in the entire world, hottest mommy in the entire world.